First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, in this video, we will be solving a question that is on the topic coding and decoding on a reasoning ability session. So if you are preparing for any competitive exams or any campus interview exams, in most of the exams, right, 99% of the exams, you can able to see question from coding, decoding, definite question. Either it will be asked for a 1 marks or 3 marks or 5 marks. In most of the bank exams, railway exams, IT sector interviews, you can able to see 5 marks will be asked only on this area what I'm going to teach now. It's a special case. There are many model questions they can ask from the topic coding and decoding, but there is a special model which give more preference to most of the competitive exams. So that thing alone we are going to solve in this video, right? So first, before learning this coding and decoding topic, so I will give you a practice, right? After watching the complete video coding and decoding, do not forget to practice 2 test series. So inside the reasoning ability session, you can able to see 2 tests inside the topic coding and decoding, 25 question. So after watching this video, do not forget to go and practice the test, right? So only then you will get a lot more practice based upon this topic. So now, this topic coding and decoding is 100% easy, very easy, very simple. You just want to learn the concept, practice 10 or 15 questions, that is enough. You can get 5 out of 5. But the problem here is, from, for example, till 2015, right? In the year 2015, so till this year, most of the question papers, competitive exam question papers were in terms of paper. So paper based exams. So in those cases, right, solving this coding decoding is very simple. Everyone got 5 out of 5 in most of the competitive exams, and they took only 1 minute or 2 minutes to solve the question. So till I'm saying until 2015, because all are in a paper based. So after 2015, the year, from the year 2016, most of the competitive exams converted into a computer based. So when it comes to the computer based, there also most of the students got 5 out of 5 in this coding decoding topic, but the only problem is they took 6 minutes to 10 minutes to solve the question. So the difference is, topic is easy, everything is easy, but when we see this question in a computer based, right, so solving a question might takes more time. That is the major problem in this topic, right? So why? Because usually they will give you a passage. I can show the question. So this is the question, right? You can able to see the question here. So you have to solve the question, right? Most of the students, what we usually do is we write the complete thing in a paper, right, in our paper by seeing the computer, and then we strike it out and we found the solution. So how this word is coded as, how that word is coded as. So this alone takes 6 to 10 minutes. That's the reason when it comes to the computer based, it takes more time. When it comes to a paper based, we can directly strike it out in the paper itself. So students have taken only 1 or 2 minutes to solve the question. So that's the major difference. So I will teach you a small technique, right? It's not a shortcut, it's a small technique where it might help you to save your time. That's it. So if you practice, keep on practicing more and more number of questions, then definitely this topic coding and decoding will be easy, and you too can able to get 5 out of 5 in 4 minutes, right? So 4 minutes target to get 5 out of 5. That will be a best timing, right? So now let me move on to the question that is based on coding decoding. So do not forget this. After watching this video, practice is important. I have given 10 sets, 5 sets on 2 test series. So go to my application. There you can, the reasoning ability session, you can able to see coding decoding. Inside that we have given 2 tests. Do not forget to write the test after watching this video. So friends, here is the first set on this model coding and decoding, right? So here they have given 4 different lines, right? For profit order now has been coded as. So similarly, right now for him has been coded as. So different word has been given, and the word they have given like how it is coded as. So now what is our target is, most of the beginners, what they usually do is they write the complete sentence in a paper, right? The complete question, they write it in a separate paper, right? And then they try to cancel it, because they will see where the word is common, which word is common in which sentence. For example, for profit order now, right now for him, so place order for profit, you can able to see now, right? The word now is common in first and second. So they see the last how it is coded as in the first and second which word is common. So similarly you have to solve the question. By just directly seeing in the computer you can solve, but it takes lot of time, right? So not lot of time, it requires more practice. If you take more practice, if you solve many questions, then just by directly seeing in the computer you can solve. But if you are a beginner or an intermediate, I will teach you one small technique, right? Do not write the left hand side thing, write only the right hand side words, right? What are all the words they have given as HOJAYEGA. It takes 1 minute definitely, right? So GAVEJASE, so YEHOBIGA, so VEDUYEZO, right? So now write only this instead of writing the left hand side, because for order profit now it might take lot more time to write that. So better write only these words. So now what you need to do is you need to check whether any word, right, any word is common in all the four. Whether any word is common in all the four. So YE, no, it is not common. SEDU, no, it is not common, right? So now check whether any word is common in 3 lines, right? You can able to see YE, right? So YE, YE and YE, yes or no, right? So in first, third and fourth you can able to see the letter common is YE. So now check that left hand side word, which word is common in first, third and fourth. So first, third and fourth we can able to see only in right order. Just see the word order. Order, in the first sentence you can able to see order, in the third you can able to see order, and in the fourth you can able to see order, which means the word YE meaning will be order. So friends, understood or not, right? So next, so finally we have found for YE. Just check whether any word is common in 3. So DU is not common, ZOVE is not common, DU. Okay. So now let me move on to the second any common thing. GA. Just see here. GA, GA, GA. So first, second and third. Which word is common? So first, second and third is for. So first for profit order now. Right now for him, place order for. So first, second and third you can able to see the common word is for. So here also the common letter is GA. So we can say that GA will be for. So strike it out this. Right. So now SE, no, SE is not common. VEJA, yes, JA is common. So here you can able to see second sentence and first sentence JA is common. So just first and the second, now, the word now is common in the first sentence and second sentence. So the meaning here is it's for JA will be now. Right, understood or not? So now what is HO is remaining. So you can able to see here also HO and here also HO. So 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 which is common. So order profit. Yes, profit is common in 1 and 3. So we can say that the meaning of HO will be profit. That's it. So next, what are all the things are remaining? So VE, you can able to see here also VE and here also VE. Second and fourth. So second and fourth which is common for VE, right is common, right? So second sentence right and the fourth sentence we also have right. So we can say that this VE is called as right. So now what all the things are remaining? So in the second sentence only SE is remaining. So SE is for what? Im, because in the second sentence right now for all the things we have found it. So only one word which we didn't found is im. So we can say that the word SE will be im, right? So here we have BA. So BA is for what? Place, right? So place alone we didn't find it. So we can say that this will be for place. So DU and ZO. So there are two words, and similarly in the last we have two words only and in. So only and in, either it can be DU or ZO, right? So only or in. It can be either DU or ZO. So in can be either DU or ZO, right? So only can be either DU or ZO. That's it. It definitely take you 3 minutes to solve a question. No other way, right? You can't able to solve fastly, because if you solve fastly, there are more chance of making a mistake. So better write any one thing, right? Either left hand side or a right hand side part, and then try to see which word is common in 4 and which word is common in 3 sentence and 2 sentence, and then the remaining word will be the remaining word, right? That remaining letter which coded as will be the remaining word in the sentence. That's it. So definitely this take you 3 minutes. When you practice more number of questions, It might take you 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes to solve. That's it. But after writing it, solving all the question under this passage will be very simple, right? So just first question, what is the code for IM? So our target is to find how IM is coded. IM is coded is what? SE. So we can say that answer for the first question is SE. What about the second question? What does BI stands for? BI stands for. Where is the BI here? Yes. So BI is in the third sentence. It stands for place. So we can say that place will be the answer for the second question. Very easy. Third question, what is the code for order? So order is coded as YE. So answer for the third question where order is YE. Fourth question, right? Fourth question is little bit important. Fourth and fifth question. So FOVEDU could be coded which of the following, right? Just see here what they are saying is FO, right? VEDU. So how this word is coded as? So what you need to do is first look at all the options. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally they have given 5 options, right? So out of this 5 option, first let me take any one word. Let me take VE, right? So VE is actually what? VE is right. Right? So our target is to find this FOVEDU, how it is coded. So it takes any one of this. I have taken VE first. So VE is called as right. So in the first option we have right. In the second option we don't have right. So second option will not be your answer. What about the third option? Third option also they didn't have the word right. Third option will not be the answer. What about the fourth option? Yes, fourth option we have a word right. Fifth option order only now. We don't have a word right. So fifth option is also wrong. So answer will be either 1 or 4. So next is what? FO. So what is called as FO here? So FO is the word which is not given in the question itself, right? So FO is the word is completely not given in the question. So the different word in the first word in right spirits. Fourth, right? 1 and 4 either one will be the answer. What about the fourth? Place in right. So place is what actually? Place is BI. But here we don't have any BI, right? So FO is the word which is not given in the question itself. Look at the first option, spirit. So spirit is the word which is not in the any of the question. So we can say that first one will be the answer. So friends, understood or not, right? So this is the way you have to find out your, or you have to cancel it. So that will be the easy way to solve. So cancelling the options. So next question, which of the following may represent only for now, right? So only for now. So we have to find how this only for now is coded as. So totally how many options we have? 5 options. So try to cancel it and find out the answer. That will be easy. So first for, let me take any one of the word for. So for is what? For will be GA. So first option we don't have GA. So first option will be wrong. What about the second option? Yes, second option we have a word GA. Third option, yes, we have GA. Fourth option also we have GA. What about the fifth option? Fifth option we don't have GA. So we can say that 1 and 5 will not be the answer. Either it can be 2, 3 or 4. So now let me take the word now. Now is what? JA. Look at the second option, whether we have JA. No, we don't have JA. So second option is wrong. What about third option? Yes, we have JA. What about the fourth option? Fourth option also we don't have JA. So finally we can say that answer will be 3. So third one will be the answer. So friends, understood or not, right? So you don't want to think how to write only for now, or some students will think and write. So better from the options try to find the answer. That will be very easy to solve. So friends, that's it. I hope you understood how to solve the question. I hope already if you are preparing for any competitive exams, you might know this, how to solve it. But the problem is time consumption. So instead of solving in 6 minutes or 7 minutes, you have to try to solve it in 3 minutes so that you can save your time in the exams more, right? So once that's it, what you need to do is first write either left hand side part or a right hand side part first. So after writing one part, so now what will be your next step? Check whether which word is common in all the 4 sentences. If it is not common, then check which word is common in the 3 sentences. So and then try to figure out how this word has been written as, right? So which word is common in all the 3, and then try to strike it out and try to find how the word is coded, which word is coded as this. So after once finding it, solving the 5 question will be very simple. So only finding that the word for the right code is important, right? So once that's it, let me move on to the second set also. So here is the second set on this topic, coding and decoding. So similarly, you can able to see the passage, always create new ideas has been written as. So there are 4 sentences they have been given, and in some exams it can be 3 or it can be either 5. So first what you need to do is write either the left hand side part or a right hand side part. So writing a right hand side part seems to be very easy when compared to left hand side. So write it quickly. So the right hand side part will be B-A-R-I-S-H-A and G-I. Right? So similarly R-I-M-A, G-I and F-A. So M-A-J-O-B-A-F-A. Right? So 2 R-I and K-I. That's it. So once after writing it, what should be your next step? You have to check whether which word is common in all the 4 sentences. Whether it is common in all the 4, any word is common. So when you take G-I, R-I, no, it is not common actually. So I think, no, none of the word is common in all the 4 sentences. So what should be our next step? So check whether which word is common in 3 sentences, right? So when you take 3, I think RI seems to be common because here RI and here also RI and here also RI. So first sentence, second sentence and fourth. So check the word which is common in first, second and fourth. So first, second and fourth you can able to see the word new. So we can say that RI can be written as new. That's it. So similarly check whether any word is common in 3. So I think FA, right? Yes, FA is common here, here and here. So second, third and fourth where FA is common. So second, third and fourth, which word is common here? I think and. So the word and is common in second, third and fourth. So we can say that this FA stands for and. And what should be the next? GA, right? So sorry, GI. So GI is common here. So first and second, the GI is common. So first and second, which word is common? Ideas. So we can say that GI will be ideas, right? So BA here. So BA and BA. So 1 and 3, BA is common. So 1 and 3, which word is common? So insights, thought, create. So create. The word create is common in 1 and 3. So we can say that 1 and 3 BA. So BA will be stands for create. So what about the next? MA. So here we have MA and here we have MA, that is second and third. So second and third we have MA. So second and third thoughts, right? So thoughts will be MA. That's it. So KI and TO. So it's an either or, right? What word is remaining? So in the last we have written and as well as new. So better solutions. So better solution is the word which is remaining in the 4th sentence. So in the 4th code where KI and TO is remaining, so we can say that this KO and TI, it can be either better or else it can be either solutions. So this will be either or. KI and TO is either it can be better or it can be solution. But still in the first sentence we have remaining SHA is remaining. So SHA I think always is the word which is remaining in the first sentence. So we can say that SHA will be always. And what about the third sentence? JO is remaining. So JO is remaining, which will be insights. So insights will be JA. That's it. So this alone takes you 3 minutes. I hope it takes 3 minutes. If you practice, you can solve it in 2 minutes. That's it. So once you write this correctly, then solving all the 5 questions, so under this passage will be very simple. So what about the first one? What is the code for ideas? So ideas, how we coded as GI. So answer for the first question is GI. So what does FA stands for? FA is what? FA will be and. So second question answer will be and. What is the code for new? New is RI. So we can say that the third question answer will be RI. So fourth question, FOLABA. So FOLABA. So our target is to find how this word is coded as. So totally how many options they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options they have. Just check any one of, let me take any one word, we can take BA. So BA is what? Create. So just check the first option whether we have the word create. No, we don't have the word create. So first one will not be the answer. What about the second? A second is possible. Why? Because we have the word create in the second option. What about third? Third we don't have create. So fourth also there is no. Yes, fourth we have the word create. What about 5? So 5 we didn't have. So 3 options eliminated. Only 2 options we have. Answer will be either 2 or 4. So now take any other word other than BA. What about FO? FO or LA? LA, whether we have any word here? No. LA, we don't have any word. Then and is what? I think it's FA, not FO, it's FA, right? What about FA here? FA will be and. So just look at the second option and the fourth option. Second option we have and, but in the fourth option we don't have and. So definitely second will be the answer, fourth will not be your answer. So friends, understood or not, right? So that's it. The cancellation, if you find out and writing the answer, then checking the options might make you a mistake. So better just look at the option, which word is not in the option, eliminate that. So remaining you will get the answer, right? What about the fifth question? Which of the following represents insights always better? So first let me take the word insights. So insights is what? JO, right? Yes, JO has been taken as insight. Just look at all the 5 options. Which option does not have JO? So first option we have JO, and the third option we have JO, fourth option we have JO. So answer will be either 1, 3 or 4. So 2 and 5 gets eliminated. So second, let me take the word always. So always is what? Whether we have always. Always will be SHA, SKCHA. So in the first option, whether we have word SHA? No. In the third option, yes we have. Fourth option we have. So answer will be either 3 or 4. So what about the remaining one word, better? So better, it can be either KI or TO. So just look at the third option. We don't have KI as well as we don't have TO. So third option is eliminated. What about the fourth? Yes, we have TO. So we can say that answer for the question will be 4. So friends, understood or not, right? So that's it. This is called as coded inequality. There are many models. Again, I am saying there are many models in coding, decoding, sorry, not coded inequality, coding, decoding. There are many models, but this model alone seems to be very important for most of the competitive exams, right? I have told you how to save your time. So instead of solving in 8 minutes or 10 minutes, you can just reduce your time by writing only one area. Either you can write the left hand side part, the complete word, or else you can write this code. So code seems to be very easy because only small words are there, so that the time management will be easy. So that I have written the right hand side part. In case if you want left hand side part, you can, and you can find the answer. Either way you are going to get the same answer. But the thing is, time management is most important. Everyone will get 5 out of 5 in this topic, in this area. But the thing is, you have, if that student solve in 7 or 8 minutes, you have to solve within 4 minutes. That should be your target, right? So now what you need to do is, again friends, practice is important for this area. Element series, alphanumerical series, this coding, decoding. So all these topics, practice are more and more needed. So do not forget to visit my website or mobile application. Inside the reasoning ability, I have given 2 tests under this coding, decoding topic. So do not forget to write all the 2 tests. So once if you practice that 50 questions, then definitely you won't forget this topic. That much easy it is. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much for watching it.